Summer is here, and so are the long, hot days. As a responsible pet owner, you want to ensure your furry friend stays cool and comfortable. 1. Cooling pads. You can purchase cooling pads or make your own DIY version using a folded towel, a bowl of ice, and a fan. Place it in your pet's favorite spot for a refreshing respite. 2. Shaded areas. Create a shaded area for your pet using a canopy, umbrella, or even a large umbrella. This will help reduce direct sunlight and heat. 3. Wet towels. Soak towels in cold water, wring them out, and place them on your pet's body or in areas where they tend to lie down. As they dry, the evaporation will help cool them down. For indoor fun, beat the heat by engaging your pet in indoor activities like agility training, scent work, or even a game of hide and seek. This will keep them mentally stimulated and entertained. 5. Hydration. Ensure your pet has access to plenty of fresh water at all times. You can also add ice cubes to their water bowl for an extra cooling touch. Remember, it's crucial to monitor your pet's behavior and watch for signs of overheating, such as panting, drooling, or rapid breathing. If you suspect heat stroke, seek veterinary attention immediately. By following these simple tips, you'll be giving your pet the gift of a happy and healthy summer. Share your own pet keeping tips and stories in the comments below.